How diverse your thoughts or experiences, everyone needs some form of support, and we very much want to draw attention to, remind everyone of the support that exists within you and around you 24/7, that comes from your own soul and all of those beings that your soul has gathered with a great and higher force to inspire, uplift, protect, support you in every way that is possible. Know that we in spirit gain great joy as we support you. Generally speaking, your own guardian angels will bring messages to you throughout the day, even when you can't hear them in your mind. Messages of love, joy, truth, and overall, they will also offer you acknowledgement of who you are, acknowledgement of the goodness, the worth of who you are. So you have the greatest form of you have the finest, the sweetest, the most loving form of indoctrination coming to you from your own angels each and every day. Of course, indoctrination just simply means to infuse something of information into a person, and it's awfully wonderful to know that, it's outstandingly wonderful to know that there is a being around you at all times, delightful, desirable, and affirming for you. If you remember in meditation, you can ask to know something of what your angels are telling you, and you may even feel it as a sense. It feels to me like my angels are trying to tell me this, even if you can't hear them in your mind. Of course, we encourage each and every one of you to learn to hear your angels, for it offers you much more than the actual words. There is a light that brings wisdom, truth, love, understanding, and even borderline fulfillment for you. When you can hear the words and the messages of your own angels, you gain so much more than the words can possibly convey. It's infused to you as a gift of light each and every time it is received. And it's especially helpful and beneficial to you when you receive it consciously. In spirit that you must involve yourselves in practical ways in your days for various purposes. It is understood, and thus you are not expected to be devotees 24 hours a day. But try to remember some of the times during the day when you take a break, or when you're ready to refresh yourself in some way. Attempt to remember to acknowledge that your soul is there for you, offering you a variety of forms of support in invisible ways.